Welcome back. Mr. India 2008 VC Rojas was in state recently. On his stay in Goa, we had an interaction with him on Saturday at Margao. We bring you more.
VC Rojas is from Kerala and started bodybuilding from the age of 16. Last year in year 2008, he won the title of Mr. India in bodybuilding. At present, Rojas is working in army and has won many national championships.
14 साल से कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ.
कितनी उम्र पे आप
मैं मेरा 16 ईयर्स से स्टार्ट किया हूँ मैं.
बॉडी बिल्डिंग करते समय आपने बॉडी के किस पार्ट पर ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस दिया था?
चेस्ट और बाइसेप्स. यस.
और आपको डेली ये क्या होता है
खाने का डेली का 40 एग्स, 1 किलो चिकन और 1 किलो vegetables and fruits.
Rojas has been taking coaching from Jiju Matthew from Goa for last 8 years. Here's a message from Jiju Matthew and a tip to young bodybuilders of the state.
करता जाल्यार बरोच बॉडी बिल्डिंग टाइमपासा लागून बॉडी बिल्डिंग करनाका. टाइमपासा लागून बॉडी बिल्डिंग केला जाल्यार वेस्ट युजलेस. बॉडी कर आनी तेजे फायदे घेवपाचो प्लस स्पोर्ट्स लेवल. डायट, heavy practice and rest.
Our reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Union Minister for Civil Aviation Praful Patel, who is also the president in charge of AIFF, has informed that Bharati Football Academy will come out at Kunkoli. He also stated that major issues of players would be resolved at earliest.
The training camp for Indian footballers is underway at Kunkoling ground under the watchful eye of national football coach Bob Houghton. Along with Praful Patel, Kunkoli MLA Joki Malemau and others were present on the occasion. The camp, which began on Friday, is preparing the India team for the first outing of 2009. Praful Patel mentioned that he has discussed the project with Chief Minister and Tourism Minister Miki Pacheco.
The academy will come up in Konkolim as it has originally been planned, and I have spoken to Mr. Miki Pacheco, the Tourism Minister, and the Chief Minister, and the academy land will be handed over at the earliest. Issues, of course, and these are ongoing issues between the players and the Football Federation, and I am sure we will be able to sort them out.
India will play a friendly international match with Hong Kong on January 14th.
Our program is very well organised. We will play now in January, and then in April, and then in July we have the long camp, and we will go to Europe again. And August is the ONGC or Nehru Cup, and then we will together again in November.
India ranked 143rd in the FIFA World Ranking, while Hong Kong is in the 151st place. Our reporter at Kunkoli, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Police official to take help of Delhi police to crack the sex racket after Prudent Media's Operation Flesh. Dayanand Narvekar blames Digambar Kamath for dropping him from the cabinet. Dharamveer famed Rajat Tokas in Goa. And training camp for Indian footballers is underway at Kunkoli. Praful Patel assures Football Academy at Kunkoli. And with this, we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media.